Lockley Secure Pro Latch Edition 2025 version Smart Lock Installation Guide. To complete this installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a tape measure or ruler. If you encounter any problem during installation, please visit support.lockley.com or call our hotline at 669 500 8835 for help. Preparation. Remove existing lock set, deadbolt or latch and use provided template to bore new holes. Prep the door if necessary. Measure and confirm your door thickness is between 1 and 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches or 35 millimeters to 50 millimeters. Measure and confirm the bore hole in the door is 2 and 1/8 inches or 54 millimeters. Measure and confirm that the back set is either 2 and 3/8 of an inch, 60 millimeters, or 2 and 3/4 of an inch, 70 millimeters. Measure and confirm that crossbore in the door edge is 1 inch or 25.4 millimeters. Step 1. Installing the lock set. Measure the distance between the center of the front door hole to the edge of your door. Push the shaft A to adjust the lock set to 2 and 3/8, 60 millimeters, or 2 and 3/4, 70 millimeters. The shaft's horizontal and vertical alignment must be sustained during installation to ensure latch will fully extend and lock securely. Facing the door exterior, install the lock set according to the in-swing or out-swing opening direction of your door. Secure lock set with provided G screws. Step 2. Reverse the door handles. The factory setting of the handle is for a right in-swing or left out-swing door. Check the diagram on the right-hand side if you are unsure of your door orientation. Skip this step if you have a right-handed door. To shift handle from right to a left-handed door, follow the instructions. Changing the exterior handle orientation. Insert the key and turn the lock face until the two white dots align. Use the provided pin insert, R, to press the metal pins located at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions on the base handle. Remove the handle once the pins are compressed. Rotate the handle 180 degrees. Using your fingers, press the two pins located on the left and right side of the lock to insert the handle back onto the lock. After confirming that the installation is complete, check whether the pin is popped up. Adjust the handle accordingly to ensure that the pins are fully released. Check that your handle moves smoothly by turning it up and down. Rotate the key to horizontal and remove it. Changing the interior handle orientation. Turn the screw counterclockwise to remove it and rotate the handle 180 degrees. Make sure the screw hole is aligned with the marker. Screw clockwise to complete your handle orientation change. Check that your handle moves smoothly by turning it up and down. Step 3. Preparing lock for installation. Position spindle C so that the holes are facing the base of the lock. Press and hold the pegs while inserting them into the square slot of the internal rotating shaft. Ensure that the pegs are aligned with the direction of the side holes of the internal rotating shaft. The pegs will pop out through the side holes of the internal rotating shaft once they are successfully inserted. Peel off the paper layer from the adhesive tape to prepare for installation. Step 4. Installing the lock exterior. Install the exterior assembly by aligning the lock straight and passing the cable and attached rods through the lock set. Pass the spindle, C, through the center of the lock set and the round rods through the sides in their respective holes. The cable should run underneath the lock set. Align the lock straight and press down firmly if you use the adhesive